I'm starting to make my own chai teas at home just so I could save a little bit of money and not have to like constantly run out to Starbucks. So I bought this Tazo chai latte. I think they use the same thing in Starbucks anyway. It has a lot of caffeine. Like this will have you up. And then I'm just gonna like make some of like the creamer or the cold foam with this. This is the Target brand oat milk creamer. It's like sweet and creamy. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna add ice first, and this is like a whiskey glass that I have, but I don't want to make too much, so I'm just gonna put it in there. It's like the perfect size. And I'm gonna put the creamer in my Nespresso foamer thingy, whatever they call this. Not too much, but I don't want it too sweet. In the cold setting, you have to hold down for 2 seconds. And while that is foaming, I'm just gonna add the chai. Make sure you shake it up real good. I know I'm not reinventing it, no wheel, but I'm just sharing. And I'm not beat to be spending $1 million every day on Starbucks. So the foam is finished. Just gonna pour it in the glass. That's the perfect amount. I'm gonna take my nice little regular straw. I need to get some glass straws. But for now, this is what I got. These plastic ones, and just stir it up. Look how creamy.